Welcome to the XTR2 mobile app, your all-in-one tool for easy testing and reporting. On the dashboard, click Create Test Job to get started. Next, enter your site location. This ensures all of your test data is organized into a job report. Here we choose our fire panel type. In this case, we're using conventional. Addressable panels also include the ability to log the time and reconcile your tests against the fire panel event log. Now you can begin testing. You can keep your app open and add asset details as you test, or you can close the app, complete your tests, and enter the asset details afterwards. Either way, you're in control. For a complete report, add your asset details while you test. For conventional panels, simply fill in the location to create the asset. The more details you enter, the clearer the final report will be. Here I'm changing the test type in the app and completing several different tests. Here I'm going to do 2 more tests with the app closed. Once reopened, I can re-enter the asset details for the tests I've just completed. Once you've completed all your tests, leave any note and collect a signature from your client. Here we're going to write completed testing in zone 1 and then capture our client signature. With just a tap, you can share your professional PDF report, complete with your company logo, detailed test results, and any failed detectors clearly marked. You can also download reports at any time from the DT Connect portal. Looking at the report PDF, you can see the client, address of the site, perform date, technician, device, and then a detailed breakdown of the assets identified during testing. XTR2 helps you prove every detector has been tested with time, date, and location stamps, and makes job reports easier, more accurate, saving you time and paperwork.